Chainlink holders experts says to in the first November of my friend in upcoming this month. Definitely the price is completely moving. The very huge event is coming soon of Chainlink, so definitely the price is very fastly moving upward. And my friends, there is a chance to the community will more increase. And remember to when our community is increasing, so the people are starting investing. Definitely the price will also moving upward. Let me talk about my friends to really the expert says to in upcoming time the big event is coming soon and the price will more increasing. Also we will predicate, but kindly subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Don't forget to like video. My brother, this time you can see at the Chainlink price 33.31 USD dollar, and this time the market ranks 13 and the market cap 15 billion. 24-hour volume is 1 billion, and 1 hour you can see here from last 1 hour the chain occur is negative. So definitely my friend, the system pretty fails, but don't worry, I hope they will recover it. In last 24 hour you can see 3.55% the Chainlink price is increased, so definitely it's good news. And from last 7 days you can see 28.38% the price increase, so it's also very good news my friend. Definitely everything is going fine, and really my friend, if they will my friends just in all my friend holders stop selling, and I hope my friend at the end of this month, absolutely especially short term investors are starting selling. But don't worry my friend, if they are stop selling, then 100% my friend the Chainlink price will hit now 40 USD dollar. And my friend, in the 1st November the big event is coming soon, so I am 100% sure they will hit now 50 USD dollar. This is our latest target my friend. Experts says in upcoming time the very huge explosion is coming soon, because my friends, they are already predicate this coin, and definitely after a dump every coin will pump up. So therefore in previous days Chainlink is very badly fails down, and I hope my friends in upcoming time Chainlink will recover this loss and they will get a very huge profit in upcoming days. So kindly holders, you will also need to hold down and stop selling. I hope my friends in upcoming time the Chainlink price will more and more increasing. See you next time holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.